Okay guys, so welcome to this video, and in this video we will going to learn about how we can download the Windows 10 image or how we can create the bootable pen drive, right? So bootable pen drive, many times we need, like, Windows is not working right, and we need to we require the bootable pen drive, and there a lot we used to face this problem that we don't have the image and how to download the image, where I can get the image. We used to ask the people that if somebody can provide. Even I faced the same problem, right, few days back. So that's why I just decided to create this video so that it will be useful for you, right? So this is very easy to create a bootable pen drive, and what you need to do, you need to go to your website, go to Google, and there you can say download Windows image, right? So here you will get the first link, whatever the link you found, like microsoft.com, and there you can click on this, or directly you can open this page, microsoft.com/en-software-download/Windows 10. So if you go there, you will found this page, and image is directly not here. So there is some trick you need to follow, or the way basically you need to follow. So you need to click on this option, create Windows 10 installation media, right? So whenever you need one pen drive for that, and you need to click on this option, create Windows 10 installation media. Okay, so click on this and click on download tool, and you can keep it in some safe place wherever you want. Like I can keep it in download for your view. So it is approximately 19 MB software, and you need to open that. So remember that this is not going to work otherwise without this software. So you need to download this software from the Microsoft website. So this is properly genuine way, right, to do the thing. And then you can double click on this. Now what you would require a pen drive, right? So be ready with your pen drive, and this screen will come. This will set up few things for you. Okay, so here I am. I ready my disk. I just inserted one pen drive, and there is no data in this. You can see, right? So now you will get this screen, and you have to just click accept here. Then again it is setting the things. So last few days back, you know that my laptop got corrupted, and it is not booting, and I arranged some bootable pen drive from somewhere, but the question was like how I can create a bootable pen drive, right? So I faced a lot of issue, like how go to the market, or you know that we sometimes we don't like that one if we can do the things from ourselves. So then once I ready that system, my system got ready, then I tried to clone that pen drive, but that was also didn't work. So I thought that what we can do, then I go to Microsoft site, and I got the perfect solution. So then I created a bootable pen drive, and it is working fine perfectly now. So it is getting ready, and I think it is taking few seconds. So let me pause, and I will revert once I'm ready with this, or once the screen comes for the next step. Okay, cool. So this didn't take much. Immediately it got this screen now, and here two options are. You will find two options. Either you can upgrade your PC. So if you want to go to the new Windows version, you can directly go with this option, right? Or otherwise, if you want to create some pen drive or some ISO image, so you can use this option too. So first I will cover like how to create bootable pen drive. So I am choosing the second option. Next. Now this is a setting, like this detected my laptop setting, that what is the Windows we are using. So it is recommending this one. Otherwise you can choose some other Windows as well, as per your requirement, like 32-bit or 64-bit version. If you need, you can use that, right? So I go with it because my system is 64-bit. now two options are there. So one is for USB flash drive. So it will create the bootable pen drive for you, and if you choose this other option ISO, so you can create the ISO image for you, right? So if you want ISO image so that you can make bootable drive sometime later, so you can use that option. So I click on this USB flash drive. So the benefit will be that the disk which I have right now, the pen drive which I have, it will convert it into bootable Windows. So I click on next. It will ask which drive. I say this one, next, and now you can see that it will do the needful. So here the progress got start, and once it got 100% completed, my pen drive will be a ready bootable Windows pen drive. Okay, so let's do it complete. It is right now 9:40, and I will tell you like how much time it will take once it get complete. Okay. Okay guys, so approximately 14 minutes have been processed, right? 14 minutes have been completed now, and it is now on the 50%, right? Earlier there was some other stage run which was up to 75 minutes at 9:47, right? So I think this will complete continuously, and this will complete soon. So right now it is, I am sharing the 14-minute status that 14 minute has been completed. And if I go to this drive, let it complete, right? And then we will see. So right now 15 minutes have been completed, and this is in process. Once it completed, I will definitely let you know. So after 2 minutes I can see like files are there. So right, 17 minutes it took, and approximately few files are there. And if I see the process right now, it is 56%. So let's see what happens. Okay guys, so here we are, and our bootable pen drive is ready. So you can see here USB flash drive is ready. So I click on and this is doing some clinician, that is done, right? So now let's go to bootable pen drive, and this is my disk, and I can see that my bootable disk is ready. So now you can use anytime this bootable pen drive in any Windows OS, and you can boot it from directly boot it from pen drive, right? And this is absolutely free. This is absolutely genuine because it is from the Microsoft Windows website. This is proper the authenticated way how to use a bootable pen drive, and how you can easily create a bootable pen drive, right? So I hope you find this video useful, and you can utilize this. And one more thing, like if you want to create a ISO image, right? So that also you can do easily by using same media creation tool. So if you go there in the bootable this tool only, so this tool will only allow you, it can help you to create a bootable pen drive as well as a ISO image. So you can use that ISO image, and anytime you can create a bootable pen drive easily, right? So if you want, you can download the ISO image too. So I will show you what is the steps. Again, the ISO image creation will take time, so I will just show you the step like how you can do that, and it will do the needful for you. So here you click on accept. So now choose this option to create ISO. The same option which you used to USB to create USB flash drive. Click on next, and here you choose ISO drive. So for earlier you choose USB flash drive, now you choose ISO device, right? So now it will create a ISO file for you. Earlier it was creating ISO pen drive. USB pen drive for you. Next, so here you can specify like Windows ISO path, right? So like I say Windows 10, 14, 10, 20, and I can save it. Simply you just need to specify the path, and it will do the needful for you, and it will create the similar kind of ISO image. Let me show you. Here. So this will create this kind of image. So this I created on 6th of October, and this was approximately 4 GB size, more than 4 GB. So that's why it says like minimum 8 GB disk is required, because if you use 4 GB pen drive, this will not sufficient, so it will require 8 GB. So this is the image, like Windows ISO image it will create for you. So once it get finished, it will show you that one. Okay guys, so our DVD has been created, our ISO image has been created. So let's click finish and just check what happened in that drive. So here again you can see that we have got the latest Windows image, right? So this way you can get the Windows image as well, and you can make the pen drive, bootable pen drive from this image anytime. So if you are looking for ISO image, this is the best way to get it, right? And in the next video I will show you that how you can create a bootable drive from ISO image as well, right? So now we already done the thing, and we have created one bootable pen drive, and this is your bootable pen drive. So I hope you like this video. अगर आपको, if you like this video, you can click on subscribe button, and for more such videos, for many cloud videos as well, and that's it from my side. Thank you. Bye bye.